Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on House of Zwide from the 19th to the 23rd of January 2026 on Monday. Faith agrees to travel to KZN to prove herself as a Zungu wife, while Ezekiel frees Braketa to use against Isaac, and Keleto joins Katleho's church trip as Molefe's attempt to rejoin the dating world collapses on Tuesday. After Mseze's heartfelt send-off, Faith is humiliated by Ntombi's chicken test at the Zungu homestead. Kelet's fundraising becomes begging. Keta returns ready for war, and Molefe is hit with a handbag on Wednesday. At the Zungu, Faith suffers Ntombi's humiliations until Makumalo bonds with her, angering Ntombi. Sbahle overhears Khulubuse's rejection. Keleto is abandoned in Rosebank, and Isaac vows to confront Ezekiel on Thursday. Sbahle hurt by Khulubuse's words breaks Ntombi's heart. Isaac bans Keleto from Katlego, ending their relationship. Ezekiel installs Keta, sparking tension, and Molefe is mistaken for a businessman on Friday. Ntombi's heartbreak deepens as Khulubuse admits he loves Faith. A feud erupts when Faith slaps Sbahle. Isaac clashes with Keta and Ezekiel while Katlego apologizes but remains loyal to the prophets. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.